Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn word problems and modeling together, step by step. Every word problem is just an equation in disguise. Start by letting a letter stand for the unknown you want. Then translate the English. The word is becomes an equal sign, of means multiply, more than means add, less than means subtract, and per or each signals a rate you multiply by. Write this sentence in math, and the problem almost solves itself. Most SAT modeling questions are linear. Y equals a starting value plus a rate times x. The starting value is what you have when x is 0, a flat fee, an initial amount. The rate is how much things change for each step of x. When you read the problem, match every number to its job. Which one is the start, and which one is the rate per unit? A phone plan costs $15 base plus 5 cents per text. Write the model. Cost C equals 15 plus 0.0, 5 times T, the number of texts. Suppose the bill was $32. How many texts? Set 32 equals 15 plus 0.05 T. Subtract 15 to get 17, then divide by 0.05. That's 340 texts. The base 15 is the start. 5 cents is the rate. Adult tickets are $12, child tickets $8. 50 tickets sold for $520 total. Let A be adults and C be children. First equation, A plus C equals 50, so C is 50 minus A. Second, 12A plus 8 times 50 minus A equals 520. That simplifies to 4A plus 400 equals 520. So A equals 30. 30 adult tickets. 2 equations, 1 clean answer. Here's the game plan. 1. Define your variables in plain words first. 2. Translate each phrase into math using your keywords. 3. Build the equation or the start plus rate model. 4. And this is huge. Solve it. Then reread to make sure you answered what was actually asked. Drop the equation into Desmos if you like, but the translation is where the points are. Practice it daily. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.